Welcome back, traders. It's December 2nd, 2024, and we've got another action-packed session to unpack. Today, we'll break down the key Forex moves from today's trading and dive into the critical setups you need to watch heading into tomorrow. Whether you're trading the majors, the minors, or cross pairs, this is the insight you can't afford to miss. Let's jump in. Let's start with Euro to US dollar, the most heavily traded pair in the world. Today, we saw a significant pullback, with the pair testing support near 1.0550 after mixed economic data from the Eurozone. Traders digested weaker than expected retail sales, but hawkish commentary from the ECB balanced things out. On the other side, the dollar stayed firm, buoyed by higher than anticipated US ISM manufacturing numbers. For tomorrow, watch that 1.0550 level closely. A break below could open the door to a retest of 1.0500. However, if buyers regain control, 1.0600 becomes the key resistance to monitor. Now, shifting gears to pound sterling to US dollar. Cable had a choppy session today, struggling to maintain momentum above 1.2200. The pound remains under pressure from concerns about the UK's sluggish economic recovery, coupled with ongoing geopolitical uncertainties. Tomorrow, keep your eye on the upcoming UK construction PMI data and US JOLTS job openings report. Both have the potential to shake this pair. Technically, 1.2150 is your support to watch, while resistance at 1.2250 could be tested if sentiment shifts. Moving over to US dollar to Japanese yen, today's action was largely driven by speculation about the Bank of Japan's next move. With the yen continuing its downward slide, the pair reached 149.80 before retreating slightly. Traders are starting to question how much more intervention the BOJ is willing to tolerate. Tomorrow, the focus will remain on US bond yields and any surprises from Japanese policymakers. A push above 150.00 could spark fresh buying, but keep an eye on that psychological level. It's been a battleground for weeks. Let's take a look at some commodity-linked currencies, starting with Australian dollar to US dollar. The Aussie dollar remains under pressure, slipping below 0.6600 as iron ore prices dipped today. The Reserve Bank of Australia is due to release its interest rate decision later this week, so traders are positioning cautiously. Switching to US dollar to Canadian dollar, oil prices added some volatility to the loonie today. Crude jumped nearly 2% after OPEC hinted at further production cuts. This pushed US dollar to Canadian dollar below 1.3700 temporarily before bouncing back. For tomorrow, Australian dollar to US dollar traders should watch for any signs of risk-on sentiment that could lift the pair. Meanwhile, for US dollar to Canadian dollar, any oil price movement above $80 per barrel could strengthen the Canadian dollar further. Now, let's talk about what's on the docket for tomorrow. The US will release the latest trade balance figures, which are always a big mover for the dollar. Over in Europe, look out for Germany's factory orders data, a key indicator for the euro. And don't forget China's service PMI report, which could impact risk sentiment globally. Before we wrap up, let's talk strategy. Volatility can create opportunities, but it also brings risk. Whether you're trading euro to US dollar to Japanese yen, or any other pair, always have your stops in place and stick to your trading plan. Remember, no trade is worth blowing up your account over. That's a wrap for today's analysis and forecast. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for daily updates. Let me know in the comments which pair you're trading tomorrow. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to check the links in the description for resources to help sharpen your trading skills. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you back here tomorrow. Take care.